Hey, I'm going to show you how to update the Fed3 library and flash new code onto Fed3. So here I'm in the Arduino IDE. This is just the default when you open it up. To get the Fed3 library, I'm going to go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. This opens up the Library Manager. And here I can search for Fed3. If I search for it, it tells me I'm already installed. If you don't have it installed, you would click this install button, and this will get you the latest version of the library. So once you've got that installed, if we go over here to File, Examples, all of the libraries for other things will come with examples. Here's Fed3, and there's 4 categories. We have some programs, which are tested programs. We have a clock setting. This will set the time on the real-time clock if you notice that it doesn't have the right time. These are some beta programs, not fully tested, but you can feel free to use them. And then fun stuff has a little game on it. So let's test flashing a new program. If I go with, say, fixed ratio 1, a very simple program, 1 nose poke produces 1 pellet. So here's the code. You'll see if you want to scroll down, it's pretty short. The part that you can look at if you're curious about the behavioral code is all in this void loop. This is what's running on Fed kind of continuously when the program's running. Has a function Fed3 run, which needs to be called at least once per loop. This updates the display and logs data. We then have an if statement. If the left poke is pushed, we're going to log the left poke. We're going to play a condition stimulus, and we're going to feed, which is the dispense a pellet. If the right poke is pushed, we're just going to log it, and nothing else will happen. So to flash this code onto the Fed, what I'm going to do is plug it in via the micro USB, and we need to plug it into the internal USB port, not this one over here. That's just for charging. So I plugged that in. You may see this orange light turn on. We're then going to make sure that the Fed is in the on position, and I'll double click the reset button, which puts it into a bootloader mode. You can see it's in bootloader mode because this red light will sort of do a breathing. Now if we go back to the Arduino, we can go to Tools. I got to pick a different board. We're looking for the Adafruit SAMD Feather M0. And then if I go to port, it should find it on us. So here I'm on COM50. And that's it. We can hit this right arrow. It'll compile, and then it should just upload. Great, and once it's uploaded, you should see the words done uploading and something like verify successful. And then Fed3 will reboot, and now we have this fixed ratio 1 session where I push once, and I'm going to get the condition stimulus, and it's going to dispense 1 pellet. So that's how you get the latest version of the library and how you flash code.